2025 Prelim MGS Paper 1 Booklet A, Question 14. A cuboid measuring 12 cm by 7 cm by 7 cm was dipped into some red paint. The cuboid was then cut into 1 cm cubes. How many of the cube would have none of their faces painted red? Now there's a really simple way of solving this question. Okay, now imagine shaving away 1 cm on all sides of the cuboid. Alright, you're going to shave away 1 cm off all sides of the cuboid so that you are left with only the interior part. Okay? So those interior parts, when you cut them into cubes, none of their surface will be painted red because all those with the red parts has already been shaved off. Right? Alright, so what this means is that what you have left inside is 12 minus 2 cm, left with 10 cm. Okay, and on this side, instead of 7, you have 7 minus 2, you're left with 5 cm. Alright, and also on this side, given that you shave off 1 cm, okay, you are going to be left with 7 minus 2, 5 cm as well. Alright, so can you visualize you now have a cuboid? Okay, that's now no longer painted red. Alright, and it is 10 cm by 5 cm by 5 cm. Now, if you cut this into a cube, you're going to get 10 times 5 times 5. That will give us 250 cubes. Okay, that are not painted red at all. So our answer is option 4. Alright, this is the simplest method for this question.